I learned about the Construction Career Center from Mr. Harris, the principal at the school. One day, he came to our school and basically had a meeting with us, telling us the opportunity that was about to open up with us being able to be college students and high school students, and being able to make a career out of something that we possibly would want to do after high school. As far as classroom experience, I felt like it was a good setting because we would do 50-50. So 50% we'll be in the class doing the book work, going over different type of subjects we're going over, and then other 50 we'll be in the shop building different things, having many projects and personal projects.
So the Construction Career Center is an opportunity for our students to learn valuable skills and to understand what it takes to work in this industry, the construction industry. When they're here in the 11th and 12th grade, they earn certifications. They're learning carpentry, they're learning masonry, they're learning electrical, they're learning HVAC, they're learning plumbing. Once we introduce them to some things, they pick and choose kind of like what direction that they would like to go. And that's when work-based learning comes into place. That's when co-op come into place on the adult side once they go over to that side. But they have an opportunity to work with companies when they are interested in those particular fields of interest. So
the Construction Career Center helped all the seniors that were in the high school class get a job by basically having a mini job fair. All the seniors were interviewed by different employers from different companies in the fields of construction, and we were basically given summer jobs to experience and go on the field to actually see how the jobs were and see how the different things were playing out.
When you think about Future Ready and you think about when Hamilton County introduced that years ago, the notion was that a kid comes to school and they have a bigger purpose and they have a bigger reason for coming to school. And I think one thing of what makes this school unique is that students they see themselves working in the industry once they finish high school. So I think that goes well in regards to retaining students and keeping kids motivated to continue the program and complete it. So when you think about the partnerships, when you think about AGC, Associated General Contractors, when you think about the city of Chattanooga, the county, Hamilton County Schools, Chattanooga State, TCAT, the Chamber, and all the other partners, and when they came together and brainstormed in regards to what this school is supposed to be, I think that is what makes it unique more than anything else. Because these partners not only have they come together and they brainstorm this idea of what this school is supposed to be, but they also had the future in mind in regards to the demand of workers in the construction field.
So without the Construction Career Center, I don't know where my career would have landed after high school. But talking to Mr. Harris and the opportunity that he had, I was willing to give it a shot. And me being in it now, I'm really glad I made that decision.